Bhargav, what is emerging giants? Everybody is talking about emerging giants, small cap. What is emerging giants?
So if you look at India as a country, you will find a lot of subsectors which have companies which are emerging giants in those subsectors. So I'll give you a few examples like luggage, like opalware. So in luggage, you just have three companies which have a dominant market share in India. So VIP, Safari, Samsonite, they have about 65% market share
Wow.
in the organized market. So clearly, I mean, as luggage as a subsector will do well, you will see these companies becoming larger and larger, and hence we sort of classify them as emerging giants. Also, what happens is that larger companies will never look at this market as an opportunity because it's just a $3 billion addressable market. So there is unlikelihood of any large company like L&T or Infosys entering this segments. So therefore, the best way to play this theme is to ride on these emerging giants. Coming to opalware, if you look at players, there are just about three players who are playing in the opalware market, which is Laopala, Borosil, and Cello.
Correct.
So again, addressable market being just about $1 billion. Why would a Chinese or any other conglomerate be interested in this segment, given that the market size is so small? And what helps you by remaining in this market is pricing power, number one, and that flows into margins. And the second thing which helps you is the large unorganized market. So over time, what will happen is that unorganized markets will become vendors to these organized players, and that will help them to grow much and much larger. So, our theme in emerging giants is to play market leaders across a lot of subsectors. So, the kind of investing companies in which we put money is either they are market leaders or top two players in that subsector, and that allows us sort of a lot of revenue visibility. So if you look at the earnings growth of our portfolio companies in emerging giants, it's at 25%.
Wow. 25%, are you sure? 25% earnings growth. Wow. That's
And
big.
you get at a gold class quality of companies being net cash.
So zero debt companies, net free cash flows, and 25-26% compounding, almost 9x in 10 years, if my math serves me right.
Yes, yes.
Fantastic.
So why can't we call them as emerging giants?
Wow. So what Bhargav tells us is very, very simple. Emerging giants means small markets, fast growing markets, companies which have dominant market share, free cash flows, positive cash flows, zero debt to equity, and as Bhargav says, gold class businesses, gold labeled businesses, fantastic businesses. Thank you, Bhargav.